Hi guys, welcome back to Classroom Abdul Fatai channel. On this channel, I teach personal development in video creation and how to develop yourself about YouTube. Alright guys, let's get into this video proper. So I brought to you a new app called the AI Snapchat tool, which helps content creation in creating videos and generating content for themselves. You need to go strategically in using it. So this is what this video is all about. I'm going to be teaching you how we can use it to generate ideas, how you can ask it questions, how it will talk to you normally, how it will reply you in the best way that will suit you and give you a desired result. It's an amazing feature if you know how to use it proper. So let's get started. Alright, so open your Snapchat app, you go to the message area, and that's what you'll be seeing at the first button of the message section of your Snapchat app. So you click on the My Hey Hi, that's what it's called, and voila, you'll be having a blank page just like this. Alright, so I'm about to start typing something I want to ask the AI, and I want you to follow up so you can get an idea about how to ask questions and how it will be able to reply you. And once it reply you, the best way to return the reply so it can give you the exact result of what you want exactly. Okay, so I typed in I want to create a title for my YouTube video whereby I teach people in the video detailed things to create a YouTube thumbnail that can be used for their own video. Like if someone is on my channel and the person wants to learn how to create a video of their thumbnail, so that's what this concept is all about. So it's for their own channel, but I'm the one teaching them the tutorial. Hence why I'm typing everything in detail. Hence I'm typing it in detail because I want the title of what this AI should give me should have authority in it, should have face branding for themselves. Like, so when somebody say, they'll know, okay, this tutorial is in detail for me because it's going to teach me face branding. It's going to teach me how to create thumbnail and a unique way to identify my channel with my audience. So that's what the title should be. So I have to ask the AI to help me generate the title in a simple way. You can say I can't type this lengthy as the title, but voila, can you see what the AI did? It gave me just a 2-line title and it's actually making sense. Master YouTube thumbnail, your ultimate guide to building brand authority and face recognition. So I was like, I also want to, like, I want to make the hair high, like I want to ask another question saying I also want a title for the AI pod picture editing class. Like almost all the editing class of me teaching people how to do AI, I wanted to generate a title, a captivating words I can use to promote it. So I had to ask the AI, and this is what it generated for me after typing what I said. I said I also want, like, I chat with it as if I'm talking to a human. Like I want to communicate with someone and I want the person to give me a reply. That's the way I make use of the tool. So it gives me that vibe of human touch. So whenever I use those scripts, it relates with human and people are able to convert with it and reply me afterwards. So can you see it gave me unleash your creativity, the ultimate AI picture editing tutorial for stunning visuals. And I was like, thank you, see you later. And it will reply me, you're welcome, have a great day, see you later. So it's kind of in human form. So if you love to generate content in such a way that you be able to interact with someone, this tool is the best. And anytime you make use of this tool, I love to copy it and save in chat, because if you don't save it in chat, it's going to wipe up after I think 24 hours. It's going to wipe up, just like the normal regular Snapchat chatting feature is also with it. So if you wanted to save, you just save it in chat, and if you screenshot, it's going to tell you you just screenshot it. So like your normal chatting on Snapchat, but this time is you like talking to someone to give you a bunch of ideas and creativity content you would like to use for your content creation. So it's the best tool to be used. All right, so let's try something else again. I want to promote a company. Okay, now I'm into affiliate marketing and I wanted to promote the company I was working for, and I want people to understand that they're not scam. So I needed a storyboard, but I'm like, okay, if I should create a storyboard from my head, it would be very good, but I needed to verify someone see the content I'm trying to create. But there's nobody I could ask, because sometimes when you say your your vision out, you might end up not doing it. So I have to ask the AI, because this is my friend for the moment. So I asked it, you can see in detail, describing everything I want in that video, how I want it to help me generate the storyline as such that when anyone is watching the video I'll end up creating, they'll be able to understand these key factors. So those key factors were the things I actually put in the typing, whereby I talked about I want the people to know that the company is a digital course company. It helps affiliate marketers, it helps people become affiliate marketers, and you can also earn in the company. You can also make money with the company promoting their own course, which is the UMMM course. And also, if you want to buy courses from other people in the site, like other courses out there, like of close to 5+ courses, so people should be able to know, and they have access to the company site by just paying 20,000 naira. And also they pay in dollars. Like I gave it a description that will go along with what the company is actually doing. And to my surprise, the AI gave me the ultimate direction storyline I could go about it. And it's pointed it out in keywords. I'm like, okay, I don't want it in this format you just sent it out for me. I want it to be in the another way, in form of a story, whereby I just recreate the story, add my own human touch to it, and voila, I'll be good to go afterward. And the AI was kind of giving me options of how I could go about it. So this is me typing everything in details. You can see it's very lengthy when the day I was typing it, but for the sake of this tutorial, I kind of a bit fast because I've speed it up. So after finished typing everything, I sent it, and it take a while, and you can see it brought out this concept for me. And after bringing it out, it listed it. Then I'm like, no, I don't want it in this way. So I had to reply the AI that, Viola, I love everything it brought out, because it's also a way to help me plan and execute and make sure that I generate what I want, and also had a call to action to it. You can see it gave me the concept to be able to go about it, but I wanted a script. That's why I said you have to know how to write to the AI so that it will give you exactly what you are looking for. So I had to scroll up again, and I'm like, okay, these are some of the page bio I've used it to do. These are the way I was able to revamp my page with some of the keywords, and these are some of the hashtags it has sent to me power before now. But because I have saved in the chat, that's why I can get access to them, while the rest that I did not save in the chat are all gone. Alright, so I had to now type back again and ask the AI that, okay, thanks for this though, but this I want you to send me a script. Alright, so I typed, thanks, but I want you to send me a broad message in which I can use the promotion as a story line. So I sent it, but now look at what the AI gave me. It actually repeated that same process, but in another way. It gave me that same process, but in another way, just redefining it. I'm like, no, this is exactly not what I want. I say ask again, and by this I wrote don't list it for me like this, because I don't want it to list it this way. Then I stated how I wanted to help me in generating that storyline just the way I want, by writing this, that I want you to, by saying I want you to tell me in a story line or format. That was how, because I'm actually using a voiceover after screen recording. So story format as a video script. So I'll send it to it, and then it now sends me the actual script by itself. Can you see it's no longer in format of a listing or numbering? Now is now in form of a story. Once upon a time, their name in person, Alex and Viola. This concept is what I'm going to use in my next video. But guys, can you see that AI is actually sweet to use? Now check this. I actually made the AI to reduce this into a 60 seconds video for me, and it still did. This is the result. So I wrote, good, I want you to actually help me out and listen it into a 60 seconds kind of video, or 30 seconds. Okay, I think I wrote 30 seconds. So it actually reduced it. Can you see? Just for a 30 seconds video, can you see it has reduced it? So by the time I will say everything through my voice over, it won't take me more than 30 minutes to finish it up, and I'll be done. So that's it, guys. That's actually how it is, and that's how it's going using my AI. I hope these tips were helpful. I hope you are able to generate content by yourself through this means, chatting with the AI as if it's your friend, as if it's your buddy, and being able to specifically just use the tool for anything you are using. It depends on how you structure and how you put what you want to derive from it. That's why the AI tools need human to work with it. Hence, it won't go. Hence, it won't deliver. Hence, it won't be able to give results as how we know it to be. Calling the AI is here to stay, guys. So make use of it and generate content for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. You're welcome. Kindly comment video ideas you would love to see next, and I will gladly make them for you. See ya in my next video. Peace out. Well, guys, let me chip in one or two things to this concept. Can you see? I chatted my AI and told it, thank you, I love you. My AI said it doesn't have emotions, so it can't. And I was laughing, and the AI said, I'm glad I could make you laugh. Is there anything else you'd like to do for me? Also, I asked the AI, hope this content you're giving me is not copyright. And it said, don't worry, you can make it into your own and use it. It's not copied from any other creation. It created it by itself. And I'm like, wow, all right, thank you. So guys, use my AI. Bye.